Okay, family. So today we're gonna be making our quinoa from scratch. All right, family. Quinoa is already vegan. All right, family. So go ahead and get you a bowl, wash it, make sure it's nicely washed. All right. So right here I got my seasonings and I got my onions and my oil. I'm using olive oil, guys, for this recipe. So now we are going to add our extra virgin olive oil. We're gonna go ahead and add our onions. Saute that baby. Guys, I'm using yellow onions. The full recipe will be in the description. Now I'm gonna add some of the seasoning: garlic powder, black pepper, onion powder, and all-purpose seasoning. Guys, I like to season my quinoa, so if you like to do that, you do the same. A little bit more oil. Gonna saute that for a little bit, cook that seasoning down with the onions, and then we could add our quinoa into the pot. I'm gonna go ahead and add about 2.5 cups of water. Okay, family, so now we're gonna mix the onions, the seasoning, and everything in, and then we're gonna add our water. I like to cook down my quinoa a little bit. It's very easy to create and to make. It's almost the same thing as making rice, so it's not hard at all, guys. Make sure the fire's on medium low heat so that it doesn't burn. So now that everything is mixed in and incorporated, now I'm gonna add my water. And we're gonna mix. You don't want to put too much. I'm using about 2 cups since this is about 16 ounces, so 2 cups for two. So 2 for 2. If you want, you can add a little extra, but you don't want to add too much because then it becomes mushy. Add a little extra, and that's it. Guys, when it starts to look like this, you already know it's almost done. All right, family? Watch it carefully. Okay, family, so let's reveal. Look at this deliciousness, guys. That is probably one of the best ways to cook quinoa, guys. We're gonna get our spoon. We're gonna get a little close up. Look at that. Look at this beautiful, delicious quinoa, guys. Easy recipe to create. High in protein. All right, good for you. All right, get your quinoa in and stop eating that rice. For today's pepper steak, guys, I made my own meat and it is soy-free, but it's not gluten-free. All right, family. So this is my steak that I created. So we're gonna use this to make pepper steak, and I have everything here for you guys. Are you ready? Get your paper, your book. Let's cook. Okay, family, so what we're gonna do first is I want to add some extra virgin olive oil to my beautiful wok cast iron, family. Let me tell y'all something. If y'all don't eat with good quality things, how you think your body's gonna feel? Okay, family, so now we're gonna cook down our pepper steak without the peppers, all right? Just the steak. So we're gonna add this to our beautiful cast iron. Gonna saute this. Now I'm gonna add a little bit of this garlic. Okay, family, so we're gonna add our soy sauce, and I'm also adding a little bit of browning. Gonna saute that baby, and this is gonna give it color. Look at how beautiful that looks, guys. Okay, family, so after you cook down your steak, you're gonna take it out. Look at that. Because now we gotta cook down the peppers and the steak. Okay, family, so now I got some yellow onions, some peppers, and we're gonna saute these babies in this cast iron. Gonna add the rest of the garlic. Saute your peppers, your onions with the garlic, family. So delicious. I'm gonna add a little bit of spice. Okay, family, so now we're gonna add our soy-free steak that was created with fava beans to the peppers and the onions. Now we're gonna mix and saute everything together, family. Look at all these colors come together, guys. Okay, family, so for my pepper steak, I got my seasoning right here. We're gonna add to the pot. Now we're gonna mix. Get all them flavors everywhere, guys. A blend of paprika, onion powder, garlic powder, and beef seasoning, which is vegan, guys, because we're trying to make this taste like a pepper steak. So that is what we are doing. Look at how beautiful this looks, guys. Okay, family, so I got some cornstarch and a little bit of water. We're gonna add this to the pepper steak. Now we're gonna mix. What this is gonna do is gonna thicken up the sauce to create our pepper steak. Family. Look at that. Vegan or what? Can't tell. As long as your brain is happy when this spoon goes in your mouth, that's all that matters. Okay, now I'm gonna add a little tomato paste and a little bit of hot sauce. Now we're gonna add a little bit of water. Full recipe will be in the description below, guys, if you want to cook with me. And the recipe can be found on the Vex Vegan app. What's good, family? It's your brother Abdul, and today we're gonna make a vegan pepper steak. Okay, family, if you ever looking for my recipes, go ahead and download the Vex Vegan app where I rant, have all my recipes, and it's great to be a part of something that you can take a look at. I download that recipe today. I'll see you soon. Okay, family, now let's go for the bite. This is I haven't done this in a while, I'm not gonna lie to you, so let's go for this pepper steak and this quinoa and see how it tastes. I'll grab some of that quinoa too and put that peppers and the steak right in my mouth. The full recipe can be found on the Vex Vegan app. Peace.